Okay, in the last video, we got the motor pulled out. This video, we got to get all this cleaned up. Already got everything all wrapped up. All your electrical connections, you need to get all them covered up so they don't get corroded. Power steering lines, got all them covered up. There's a couple vent lines back there I'm not going to worry about. It's going to be sitting for months, so if it does get a little bit of water in it, it's not going to bother it. So we need to get going. We've got about an hour of daylight left, and I want to get this done today. So we're going to be spraying it down with Super Clean. It's a good engine degreaser. Gonna let this soak for a few minutes. Get that air conditioner compressor there. Then we're gonna get the power washer out. I've used this stuff on barbecue grill, cooktop stove, use it on microwave. I've even used it in the kitchen floor. Stuff is good, amazing. You can even use it in the bathroom and the shower area. I've used it in a lot of different places. Use it interior. Use it on your carpet of your car. Okay, I'm gonna let that sit for a few minutes while I hook up the, get over here a little bit more. We're gonna have just enough time to get this done. Like I say, another hour till dark. This video brought to you by Super Clean. You can get this at Walmart, O'Reilly's, or other fine retailers. Okay, let's get this thing done. Get it sprayed off. See if this thing will start. You can see how much cleaner that is. So much cleaner. Let me turn the shades off here. That ought to help. Okay. That looks good. Glad to get this done today. That super clean works really good. You get super clean at Walmart or O'Reilly's or other stores. That's about the two main stores I go to. Alright, that's going to do this video. Thanks for watching.